This comeback is a revolution. This comeback is very personal. You all feel it. I've been hearing all day long, this one was a hard one. And I don't know if you are about to say this to your guides, to your spirit team, to your higher self, to yourself, to God. This one was a hard one. This dark night of the soul was different, because this one you've been exposing them, and this one was deep. This one was the real one. All of the ones before was the training for this one. One on the timer. This one is here to mark history. This one is here to make noise. I'm hearing the version of yourself that is blooming, that you're birthing. It's nothing compared to what you've experienced before. This one, you're working on your most traumatic experience for negative energy not to penetrate your soul anymore. This one is the real work. Therefore is the hardest. This is where you can find yourself wanting to give up at some point, or just feeling exhausted, because there is a part inside that is resisting the change, because your soul knows that there is no going back. After you dropped that person or that situation, closed that door, there is no way back, and you know that it's involving a 360 change within, and you love yourself so much because you've been doing so much inner work, you've been doing so much sacrifices, that you know there is no way back. When you reach this kind of self-love, nothing else, nobody else matters. Okay. This one is different. You've been prepared for this top of the pyramid because you're not from here. Your soul is not from here. You have a very strong connection with lions, tigers, feline animal in general. You may come from the lion galaxy. You're very strong. Very strong individual. It can be physical, most likely from inside. You're very strong, you're very solid. They cannot bring... It's interesting I say bring, as I wanted to say, they cannot break you into pieces, but I heard also they cannot bring you where you do not want to be. I'm really tapping into revolution. The revolution has started within yourself. You're here to take your revenge. Thank you for the confirmation on my phone. There is something you didn't finish yet. I'm hearing unfinished business. There is something you came here to do in a previous past life and you didn't successfully achieve it. This one is the real one. This one, the preparation, the training. Oh God, I got goosebumps, very seriously. The training was hard. The training was hard for that reason, because this one you're not going to fail. It's luminous. I'm seeing radiance because it's about to click in your mind how it was difficult, how the initiation, the wounds were initiation, why it was that difficult. You're about to know. It's about to click fundamentally. Something like this. I'm speechless regarding the version that is actually dormant within your system, that is going to be revealed to yourself. It was stagnant. Get ready, because this stagnant energy is about to be lifted, because you were investing in yourself. By the way, check my website. We're here to heal. I offer very strong downloads, codes, and activation for your soul, for the growth, for the ascension. And I'm talking to a very passionate soul that is not here to play, to waste time, because you've received the vision and you've done the work, basically. So it's serious. Oh my goodness. Thank you. It keeps coming. This meditation card, it's you. I'm saying you did, or you're about to do, to dig, I'm hearing, into a past life. I offer also past life revision. You're doing, or you did the work, because it's showing like in your energy. You trusted the process. You trusted the process to manifest a new life. You're coming from chaos, family, childhood chaos, and you building something serious. I cannot make this up. This is so beautiful. You have the key to your new life, my beautiful, or you're manifesting the key to your new life. I love you. Until next time, namaste.